Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Life360 crash detection not working. So to fix Life360 crash detection not working, so in app setting, what you can do is open your Life360 app and then go to settings, which is at the top left corner of your screen. And now make sure that your drive detection is turned on. Now the next what you can do is go to your safety tab and then toggle on the crash detection. Remember, you need to have a subscription in order to get the crash detection option. Now the next what you can do is keep your Wi-Fi enabled, even if not connected, to help improve location accuracy and detect movement. Now the last what you can do is update your app. Just go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Life360 and tap on update if the update option is available here to get the latest version of Life360 app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.